This is a collaborative Phase III randomized clinical trial that's being conducted in the U.S. It is a cooperation between ECOG and SWOG, two large cooperative groups in the U.S. I am the co-chair of the study along with Dr. Ann Chang from Yale Cancer Center. The study randomizes patients with adenocarcinoma without driver mutations who have at least PD-L1 expression of 1% or higher to 3 separate arms of the study. In Arm A, we start with pembrolizumab alone. At the time of progression, we stop pembrolizumab and just continue with chemotherapy, which is basically one of the standards of the care. In Arm B, we start with pembrolizumab, but at the time of progression, we continue the pembro, but add chemotherapy to it, sort of asking whether continuation of the immunotherapy offers any additional benefit. Arm C is the control arm, which is the combination of chemotherapy and immunotherapy based on Keynote 189 study. And in that setting, if the patient has any evidence of progression, then the physicians decide what treatment to offer at the time of disease progression. The study is ongoing. We have around 500 patients enrolled. We are thinking about maybe a small redesign to lower the required number of patients for the trial, but that is something that's still under discussion with various parties that are involved here. But we believe that this study is going to answer several key issues, meaning whether we need chemo IO for everybody, regardless of the level of PD-L1, and also is there a value to continuing the IO beyond progression when we add chemotherapy? And again, these are questions that we have not been able to address in any of the randomized Phase III studies that have been conducted. So we think that it brings a lot of value to our everyday practices.